Hi lovelies, welcome back to another video. So today I'm sharing with you guys another customized press on set. But of course, before I get into today's video, let me give a shout out to my notification squad. These are the first 3 people to get in and drop a comment on my last video. And if you want to see how I created these quick and simple marble nails, then let's go. I did go in off camera already and size these nails as well as remove the shine off of the surface. So I'm taking my Acrylic Gel X primer and I'm going to coat over the entire nail. Wait for that just to get a little bit tacky, and then I'm going to apply my gel base coat. If you don't know what I'm talking about when I say I already sized, definitely check out my last press on tutorial. I would link it in the description box below and at the end of this video on my end screen, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. You will see the message that I send to my clients, what they have to fill out when it comes to each nail size, and then I go according to the sizes that they sent.
I know the reason why we chose to say goodbye, but I can't help my feelings. Right now I can't deny you never left my mind, and now my heart is bleeding. Why did I have to break it up? Guess I was just a young girl living in a dream world. I thought that I'd be better off, but now I pay the price. I do. I don't know how to forget you. I can't forget you. You're all.
Taking my Madam Glam's Perfect White, I'm going to be applying 2 thin coats of this color on all the nails. So this is going to be the base color for this set today, and I'm going to cure in between each coat for 30 seconds. However, I only showed you guys me applying my first coat because I didn't want this video to be too repetitive, because it is the same exact steps that I'll be taking on every single nail. So because of that, I went in off camera and I applied my second coat.
Lay down at night, I miss you by my side, telling me about your secrets. I dream and fantasize that I come by your house, telling you about my regrets. Why did I have to break it up? Guess I was way too shallow, my mind was way too narrow. I thought that I'd be better off, but now I pay the price. I don't know how to forget you. I can't forget you. You're always on my mind. I do the things that I should do, so I can't forget, but you're always on my mind. Thought you'd be gone by tomorrow, but you're still there tomorrow, and then
The original design had a lot of different shades of blues and green, so I just picked out 2 shades of blue, 2 shades of bluish green, and then that perfect white. I will have every name as I'm using them in the order on the screen. Each one of these gel polishes are by Madam Glam, and I will also list them in my description box below, as well as my Madam Glam's 30% off coupon code for those of you who are interested in any one of these colors. With a fine detail brush, you can use an orange wood stick, you can use a toothpick, a pin, whatever you have on hand. I'm going to start marbling these colors together. Now, every time I draw a line through these colors, I do not clean my brush because this helps with blending the colors into each other. So on top of the white nail, I'm going to be taking my art gel, also by Madam Glam, and as that art gel is still wet, I'm going in with this ombre brush. You can just use a regular flat brush, but for me, I just like using this one. I did cut off the excess bristles at the tip, and I'm going to randomly place these colors onto this nail. The key to this working is having patience. In order for that blooming gel and the gel polishes to work together to spread, you need to have patience. You also need to make sure that you remove any excess gel polish off of the sides, the cuticle area, the free edge, like anywhere you can pull excess gel polish, do so. Because if you were to leave all of that gel to pool on the nail, it is not going to cure properly. Another thing is this is going to get messy. Your hands are going to get dirty. So I will suggest putting on a pair of gloves, so that way you can always just throw it out and change it when it is time to move on to the next step. Once these colors have spread to my liking, I'm going to go ahead and pop this into the light, and I'm going to give it a full cure for 60 seconds. Now the reason why I do 60 seconds is because you want to make sure that this is fully cured. If not cured properly, they are going to wrinkle, and if it does wrinkle, then you're going to have to peel that away and start this process all over. So I will definitely recommend doubling up on the recommended amount of cure time for your gel polish. In this case, Madam Glam does cure for 30 seconds in between each coat. That is why I decided to do 60 seconds, just to make sure that light penetrates throughout the entire nail and cures my marble all the way through. I'm going to be repeating the exact same steps to all the nails. The only difference is I would be placing them at different points of each nail, but the technique is going to be the same. I did leave it in real time for those of you who find this so satisfying like myself, but if you do want to speed through this part, you can click on that YouTube feature that allows you to speed up the videos until it gets to the next point. I left that option totally up to you guys. I am going to leave you right here just for a couple of seconds, and I'll pop back in when it's time to do the next step.
Make me feel better in the best ways, the best ways. I know why we say goodbye, but can we turn that bye into hello? I know how to love you now. No matter what I do, I can't let go. I don't know how to forget you. I can't forget you. You're always on my mind. I do the things that I should do, so I can't forget, but you're always on my mind. Thought you'd be gone by tomorrow, but you're still there tomorrow, and the next day, the next day. I wish I wouldn't remember how you make me feel better in the best ways, the best ways. Feel the music, the rhythm, a heart on a mission. Can't fight the feeling, and I'm not denying it, no. I'm here to lose all control.
I don't know if it's just me, but these remind me so much of the beach. If you do agree with me and you find that it does, leave me this emoji with your comments in the comment section below. So now for the details, I wanted a gold, but I didn't have like a gold other than a glittery gold gel polish or gel paint. So I decided to go in with Madam Glam's Perfect Gold, and I added some of their Jupiter, which is their gold chrome, mixing that in together. Now this is going to give me that perfect drawing consistency, and it's also going to make that perfect gold even more opaque. So in this case, you want to go ahead and test to make sure that if you draw with this, that it's going to be nice and smooth and it's not going to be too thick. In this case, at this point, it was a little bit too thick, so I did go back in with just one drop of the Perfect Gold, and that was it. It was perfect for me to work with.
They all wanna go dance, sweat in an ocean, and I'm not denying it, no. I'm here to lose all control.
And this is when you know the consistency is perfect, when it does not budge on your brush. So now I'm just going to use this gold gel paint mixture, and I am going to create the details in this marble.
But I'm into it. Nervous from my knees to my fingertips. I might have a broken heart, but I won't hold back tonight. Lights go out, I move like I'm over you. Nothing on my mind but the beating truth. I might have
I just remember the last time I used this brush, someone asked me what brush it was. So this is the Alpha Mini Striper brush, and I did go in and adjust the bristles just a little bit. So this is what it looks like with those gold details. So my final step for this design is to randomly place some gold foil in between the gold detailing. Now this is very random. You don't even need to overthink this set. It was so easy to accomplish this set. It wasn't even funny. You guys can definitely give this a try. If you recreate it, share it with me on Instagram. My Instagram link is in the description box below. Don't forget to tag me so that I can see your beautiful recreations. I love sharing them on my stories. After placing the gold foil on the nails, I'm going to cap the entire nail with Madam Glam's Pure Serenity, and I only did a really thin layer of this because there are already enough layers of gel polish to add strength to this nail. This is just to make sure everything is nicely sealed in and my nails are nice and strong for when I go in to file.
We're soaring up high, got no clue. How do I know what I mean to you? Yeah. Say it out loud, spill the truth. Tell me how I'm gonna get close to you. Yeah. High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me you're lost, feel so blue. Leaving me on the spot so confused. Oh baby, tasting so sweet, acting so rude. Won't you tell me what I'm supposed to do? Yeah.
I didn't file these nails into shape as yet, but I am going to put on my final layer of my Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Gel Top Coat, and I'm going to go ahead and give all these nails a final cure for 60 seconds.
High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Dance on the beat. I don't want no excuses. You keep me feeling so clueless. I'd like to dream.
So the design is complete. My final step is to go in and reshape these nails. So I'm taking my 100 grit hand file by Makartt, and I will link it in my description box below. Makartt does have a website now, and I do have a coupon code for you guys, so I will definitely share that with you in the description box. So the reason why I'm filing after I apply my matte gel top coat is just to make sure everything is nice and sharp. I don't need to go back in with another layer of top coat because I am not over over filing the sides of these nails so that you can see the file marks on the side. If you do see the file marks on the side, you definitely want to go in and smoothen out everything with a final layer of the matte gel top coat or shiny top coat, whichever one you choose for this design. In my case, it's matte. And I'm just pressing this nail against my finger to make sure that my side walls are nice and straight, and that nail is straight as well, so when my client goes in and apply it on her hands, everything is just uniform and we don't have any issues at all. And that was my final step for this design. The only thing left for me to do is package it up. I didn't show you guys the packaging in this video because I did share that with you in my last press on tutorial, which is coming up on the end screen as I mentioned before. So you guys can check that video out for any information that I didn't share in this video that is included in that one. That is it for me. I am going to be leaving you right here just to watch my finished filing, and I will have a clip of how everything comes together at the end of the video to share with you guys. I hope this technique was really simple and easy to follow. Share with me your thoughts on it in the comment section below, and if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And if you're not part of the notification squad, click on the bell icon so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. I hope everyone is having an amazing day or night, whatever time it is where you are right now. As always, I would love for you guys to stay glamorous, be safe, and I'll see you soon.
High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Dance on the beat. I don't want no excuses. You keep me feeling so clueless. I'd like to dream. Keep on dreaming about us, baby.